Today I am going to talk about something which is very important for the young parents. It is learning disabilities among children. Learning disabilities and attention deficit hyperactive disorder, which is also known as ADHD, have been the topic of study interest for more than 100 years. There are different types of disorders among the kids. Dyslexia, dysgraphia, dyscalculia, auditory processing deficit, language processing disorder, non-verbal learning disorder, visual perception disorder, motor deficit disorder. In today's video, I would like to throw light on dyslexia. Dyslexia is a common reading disability among children. It affects the reading and learning process of the students. It accounts to at least 80% of all the learning disorders. It's very shocking to know that 9% of the children across the globe suffer from dyslexia. While 9% of the boys suffer from this problem, 6% of girls suffer from dyslexia. How do you identify whether your child is going through that problem? The symptoms among small children: there will be a delay in the speech, they cannot pronounce the words properly, they cannot identify colors and shapes, they cannot recognize the letters properly. Now, talking about the school going children, these children are going to face a problem in remembering the sequence. They are not able to spell simple words, even single syllable words, such as mat, top, etc. And this problem, if it is not identified in the ground level, it continues even if the children go to the higher grades. Even after a dyslexic student goes to the higher grade, he will face a problem between certain letters such as B and D, M and W. If you ask the child to write the word pit, the child writes tip. Now let us see how our children are going through this problem by looking at their handwriting. You can see here, these are the handwritings of the students who are having dyslexia problem. You can look at the baseline. The baselines are non-horizontal. You can see the margins there. They are inconsistent. The handwriting is messy. They often get confused between the uppercase letters and lowercase letters, and they mix up both. They may write a combination of both. You can see the inconsistent punctuation. They often write the words unfinished, and sometimes they even miss the words. And you can see there is a lot of overwriting, and even if you look at the size of the letters, you can see that there is an inconsistency. And generally, these children get confused between certain spellings such as write. If you ask them to write R-I-G-H-T, write, they may end up writing W-R-I-T-E, write. If you ask the children to write T-H-E-R-E, there, they will end up in writing T-H-E-I-R. Now that we have discussed how to identify the problem, in the next video we shall discuss how to help a child going through dyslexia.